Ever wished your modern tech could have a touch of classic charm? Well, this EWEADN V20 typewriter keyboard isn't just wishing. It's delivering a full-blown retro experience right to your fingertips. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the V20 screams vintage cool. Those round, punk-style keycaps immediately evoke the golden age of typewriters. But don't let the looks fool you. This is a thoroughly modern mechanical marvel. The green finish on this particular model adds such a vibrant, unique pop to any setup, making it a real conversation starter. Underneath those beautifully crafted electroplated keycaps, you'll find custom pink switches. Now, if you're into a smooth, linear typing experience with low resistance and a wonderfully quiet sound, these are going to be a dream. There's no harsh tactile bump, just a satisfying, stable click that makes typing feel incredibly comfortable, whether you're hammering out an essay or diving into a gaming session. And with full 104-key anti-ghosting, every single keystroke registers perfectly, no matter how fast your fingers fly. But it's not just about the feel. Convenience is king here. The V20 offers 3 ways to connect: Bluetooth 5, a snappy 2, 4 GHz wireless mode, and a reliable USB-C wired option. What's truly impressive is its ability to connect to up to 5 different devices simultaneously. Imagine switching seamlessly between your tablet, laptop, and phone with just a quick FN key combo. It's an absolute game changer for productivity and multitasking. And for those who love a bit of flair, the multimedia knob is a fantastic addition. It's not just for volume. You can also control the keyboard's 19 different backlight effects. From subtle glows to dynamic game-specific patterns, you can customize the ambience to your heart's content, adjusting brightness and speed on the fly. Plus, those dedicated previous, next, and pause buttons right next to the knob are incredibly handy for media control. The build quality is also top-notch. The panel is crafted from a high-grade aluminum alloy, giving it a metallic matte texture that feels incredibly sturdy and robust. This isn't some flimsy plastic toy. It's built to last and protect against scratches. And compatibility. No worries there. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, or even Linux, the V20 plays nice with everything, offering stable, low-latency performance in wired mode without needing any drivers. Overall, the EWEADN V20 typewriter keyboard is a delightful blend of nostalgic aesthetics and cutting-edge functionality. It's a keyboard that doesn't just perform, it inspires, making every interaction with your computer a little more special. If you're looking to elevate your desk setup with something truly unique and highly capable, this green retro gem is definitely worth a closer look.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.